Hi there. We are Clinic's Training and Technical Assistance Team. Like our team's name implies, we provide training and technical assistance to our network of affiliates and partners, amazing advocates like you. Since you are a part of Clinic's network of affiliates, we are here to help you by answering your legal questions, providing program management support, helping review applications for Department of Justice recognition and accreditation, and more. We help keep you up to date about immigration law and policy changes through our toolkits and written resources, and we even have a mentorship program to guide you through new experiences in your practice. Let us walk through how you can access the help you need from our team. Maybe you have a research question that's left you puzzled about which strategy may be best for your client? Do you have a sticky crimmigration question that you think may impact your client's admissibility? Let's talk about how you get help with these tricky substantive legal questions from our team of experts. You can submit an Ask the Experts inquiry on our website on a wide range of topics that include family-based immigration, naturalization, inadmissibility and deportability, TPS, DACA, VAWA and U visa, and relief from removal. You can submit questions anytime and they'll be answered by one of our experts Monday through Friday with a 3-business day turnaround. Let's take you through our website so you know how to find it. To access the Ask the Experts form from Clinic's homepage, hover over the Find Legal Help tab on the navigation band. Make sure that you're logged into your Clinic account, otherwise the Ask the Experts button won't appear. And then click on Ask the Experts. Filling out the form is simple. See? You just submit your name, organization, contact information, and answer a couple of questions about yourself and the inquiry. Then, you can write out whatever question you have for TTA's experts. We will give you some pointers on writing your question so that we can answer your question as thoroughly and efficiently as possible. When you submit an inquiry through Ask the Experts, please give us as much detail as you can, including dates or timelines. And go ahead and upload any redacted documentation you have related to your question. You should let us know if there are any deadlines associated with the case and please identify any specific concerns you have. For example, if you have a question involving a criminal matter, please include a complete court disposition including the dates of arrest and outcome for each charge. If your question is about admissibility, it helps us to know the date of admission in lawful permanent resident status, if applicable. Again, attaching the redacted documents up front and including a short, succinct summary of the immigration and criminal history makes it so much easier for us to respond adequately. If your question is about an RFE, for example, send us a copy of the redacted RFE. Same applies for denials or notices of intent to deny. So you can see what we mean. Here is an example of an Ask the Experts inquiry that had all the information we needed to provide the affiliate with an answer quickly. There's a clear summary of the cases, it is detailed with dates but also sticks to relevant information. The affiliate provided their own initial impression of the case and asked a great, targeted question. They even provided redacted copies of the dispositions so we could check the code sections of the convictions and provide the best analysis on their implications on good moral character. Here's another great question. The legal representative did some preliminary research on this issue and was able to point to the immigration regulations and other legal resources. Even though this question was not case-specific, it was a discrete question dealing with a specific aspect of an immigration benefit. It is not a question about general eligibility requirements for an immigration benefit or whether someone might qualify for any forms of immigration relief, which we are unable to respond to in a technical assistance inquiry given the high volume of questions we receive daily. Here's some things we kindly ask you not to do when submitting an Ask the Experts question. First, Ask the Experts is not meant to be a substitute for legal supervision or independent analysis. Please refrain from sending us consultation notes or intake forms and asking us to generally review them for relief or eligibility. We will send those inquiries back to you and ask that you submit a specific question if you have any. In the same way, please make sure your inquiries about RFEs and denials include a question rather than uploading and asking us to generally advise. We've mentioned redacted documents a few times now. They're very helpful to have, but we will have to send them back if any redactions are missing. That means that all your client's personal information is removed. including the A number, social security number, date of birth, address, case number, and any other personal identifying information. Next, we know you're busy, but we ask that you send us time-sensitive inquiries as early as you can. Unfortunately, we cannot respond on an emergency basis given the volume of questions we receive daily. Occasionally, we may need additional time to research your question, and if that is the situation, we will inform you when you can expect an answer from us. If you have a case deadline, please include that information in your email so we can consider it. Here are some samples that demonstrate what not to do. First, if you have questions about general eligibility requirements or about the application process for an immigration benefit, we encourage you to review the immigration regulations and other legal resources such as FAQs, practice advisories, manuals, etc. Many of these types of questions can be answered by doing some preliminary research. Since our technical assistance is limited to answering discrete legal issues, we may refer you to consult with these resources, if you haven't already, when we receive non-case specific questions. Regarding the second question, clinic legal experts answer questions on discrete legal questions for cases you are working on. It is not possible or efficient for us to provide an overview of an entire immigration benefit through our technical assistance inbox given the high volume of questions we receive daily. Since this individual is referring to a new program announced by USCIS, more information about this program will be posted on the USCIS website. We encourage individuals to do some preliminary research and look at the USCIS website for more information before submitting a legal question to us. If this individual has a clarifying question after they perform some preliminary research on this topic, that would be a good reason to reach out to clinic's technical assistance for more help. This last question is much like the first. As a reminder, Ask the Experts is not meant to be a substitute for legal supervision or independent analysis. Please refrain from sending us consultation notes or intake forms and asking us to generally review them for relief or eligibility. Our affiliates really appreciate the help they receive from Ask the Experts. This affiliate had a set of complex questions about inadmissibility grounds and military parole in place. Here are her kind words for one of TTA's senior attorneys. She said, "Thank you so much for your detailed and very well organized response. I can easily put the pieces together after reading your advice. It is such a nice feeling to be headed in the right direction by receiving proper guidance." Not only are TTA's staff experts in matters of immigration law, we also have experts in program management, practice support, and Department of Justice recognition and accreditation. We're here to answer general questions about the recognition and accreditation program, review your draft applications, and help you with conundrums and questions that come up in your practice like staffing issues, ethics questions, and policies and procedures. Questions can come from anyone on staff. You don't have to be a manager or director to connect with our team of experts. Let's explore Clinic's website again to show you how to get you the support you need. To find this kind of support, hover over Find Legal Help again, then click on Affiliate Portal. In the Affiliate Portal, select Affiliate Support Form. Again, fill this simple form in with as much detail as you can succinctly provide. We will respond within 3 business days. When you submit inquiries through the affiliate support form, a few things will help our experts respond to you quickly and efficiently. First, if you're submitting an application for recognition and accreditation, we ask that you submit your best and final draft in one single PDF. For questions about program management, it helps us if you explain your role, position, and title within your organization. Here are some example questions we've responded to through the affiliate support form. As you can see, we're happy to help you strategize about the logistics of moving your office from one location to another, for just one specific example. And we often answer ethics questions that commonly come up in immigration practice. Next, let's talk about the Mentorship Project. This project is a unique resource that affiliate staff members can utilize when they've taken on representation in a new or complex area of immigration law and they need extra support. To access the Mentorship Project's landing page and request form, hover on Find Legal Help, Affiliate Portal, and then Mentorship Project to submit your request. Please note that right now, the Mentorship Project is closed due to a staff member's leave of absence, but the project will return soon. Of course, the Training and Technical Assistance team offers lots of immigration law trainings throughout the year. Check out Clinic's training calendar to see what we have coming up. We offer standalone webinars on legal and program management topics. We have webinar series with multiple webinars on related topics, and also e-learning courses, which give you access to a learning platform for readings, quizzes, and other learning materials in addition to the webinars. Periodically, we also have in-person trainings. To see what trainings are coming up, hover over trainings and then click on training calendar. Also notice here that there's a webinar archive where you can access some recorded webinars and a frequently asked questions page that will answer most, if not all questions you may have about clinic trainings. Clinic's TTA team also publishes many written resources to guide you in your immigration practice. To find them, hover on immigration topics and select either Resource Library or Practitioner Toolkits. There, you'll find a wide variety of resources like practice advisories, frequently asked questions, and comprehensive guides. The toolkits include even more helpful material, like samples and templates. Thank you for watching and for being a part of the Clinic Network. TTA is excited to work with you to further our mission of promoting the dignity and rights of immigrants.